In this video, we're going to learn how to read a line plot and figure out what the mode of the numbers is. So if we have a problem like this that says Mr. Wright's class discussed how many stuffed animals the students have, what is the mode of the numbers? So here's the line plot that shows the stuffed animals and the number of stuffed animals, okay? So one student has no stuffed animals. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students have one stuffed animal. And here there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 students have 2 stuffed animals, and so on. Okay? So first step is to understand what is the mode. Remember, the mode is the number that appears most often, okay? So that's the mode. Step 2, read the numbers from the line plot. Each X represents one number. And I just kind of went through how to read it. So there's 1 0, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 twos, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 threes, 2 fours, and 3 fives. Okay? So 5, there's 3 students that have 5 stuffed animals. 2 students that have 4 stuffed animals. So that's how you read the plot, okay? So then arrange the numbers from least to greatest. So this is already done in this case. Then step 4, count how many times each number appears. So 0 appears 1 time. 1 appears 5 times. 2 appears 7 times. 3 appears 4 times, right? So we have 3, 3, 3, 3, 4 threes. 4 appears 2 times, and 5 appears 3 times, okay? So like we said, the mode is the number that appears most often. So the biggest times we see 2 is 7 times. So I think that's the most we see. The number that appears most often is 2. So the mode is 2. And that's how you do that problem. And don't worry, anyone can do math. I have extra resources in the description that link to other videos of mine that are like this. And also don't forget about the ebook. You could download it and follow along the lesson with the ebook.